Hello all, and welcome to this Fantasy Adventure Builder tutorial video. Before we start, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps a lot! Fantasy Adventure Builder allows you to digitally use the tables of Tome of Adventure Design book in order to roll and generate hundreds of quest and adventure ideas, to use several other generators created by Brave Alice Games, MYTHMERE Games and fellow creators, and finally, to create your own generators using the exact system we use to create this software. For all pre-installed generators, the logic is the same. You first need to choose the title you want to use. Here you can find the index. Every mega chapter can be opened. If you click on the folder icon, you will get to see all the sub-chapters. After choosing a chapter, you can click on the title here to get your results. If you decide to roll from a mega chapter, the system will give you results going through all the tables and subchapters. If you want something more detailed, you can go and choose to roll from one of the subchapters. For example, if you roll the mega chapter miscellaneous items, the system will give you various miscellaneous items, ideas, and dungeon dressings for you to add in your campaign. But if you just need a magic item, you can click on the subchapter title and then roll for a random magic item. After rolling, you get several features that help you keep creating. First, by clicking here, you can re-roll again and again. This will re-roll the whole chapter for you. In addition, you can go to each individual result, mouse over, and click in order to re-roll that certain result. Furthermore, on various occasions we give you the ability to partially re-roll. For instance, in these underlined results, you can again mouse over and click, choosing to re-roll only that small part of the sentence until you get exactly what you're looking for. Now, whenever you feel ready, you can click the Keep button. By doing so, you send all your results to your notebook here. If you click and open it, you get to see all the rolls you've sent to your notebook. You can always go back by clicking this X button and send more rolls to your notebook. Now, when in the notebook section, you get to reshape everything. First, we allow you to write additional notes. Just click here and start typing. We also allow different languages. For instance, let's type something in Greek. Second, you can delete things, exactly as you do in any document. Third, you can add extra paragraphs using the Enter key. Once you are happy with your work here, we give you the ability to export everything into two types of files. All you have to do is click the Export button and then choose between PDF or TXT so that you can keep creating outside our software. Now, let's see how the inspirations work. As you probably already noticed, on the right there are thousands of micro prompts for corner of the eye inspiration, which refresh every 60 seconds. You can re-roll these anytime you want by clicking here. If you think one of them can help you with your creation, you can click on it and send it to your notebook. In order to create your own generators, we created the Table Designer tool. To start using it, you just click here. Now, no code is needed. All you have to do is keep creating using the tools we provided you with. Let's break everything down. To rename your new generator, you have to click here and just type. Now let's explain a few things. Main tables are the tables that have titles and give the final roles. For example, this one is a main table in our system. This is the title, and this is its role. The next title is also a main table, following the previous one. So, if we go back, by clicking here, or here, you can create as many tables as you want, and as you can see, also creating in which order they will appear in the final role. You can click here to delete a table, and here to duplicate one. If you click here, you get to rename each table. By doing so, you also set the title you or other users will see when they roll. Furthermore, by clicking here, you also get to type a comment for this part of your generator. If you click Edit Table, you get to enter the Table Edit section and start typing for results. Let's make a fast example. I will go to line 1 and type orc. Then I will press Enter to create line 2. I will type goblin, then lizard folk. Now, if I run a test by clicking here, you will see that I have the title of this main table, one random result from the lines I added, and if I mouse over on the title, I'll get to see the comment I added. This is exactly what anyone using your generator will see. Let's go back by clicking here to explain the results tables down here. The results tables provide extra results within a main table. Anyone using your generator will never get to actually see them. All they do is help you create more complex main tables and come up with advanced generators. Let's do this step by step. I will click here or here to create a result table. I will name it colour. I will go to edit it and I will add some colour options. Let's say blue, green, red, purple. Now I will go back to my main table and I will add some information to each line. This orc wears clothes. This goblin wears clothes and uses a sword. This lizard folk has skin. Now, if I go here and then click on the Ask Result button, a list of all my result tables will appear. In this case, we only have the colour one. I will click on it, and as you can see, we now have it here. Let's do the same to the other 3 options. Alright, what the system will do now is that it will again give one title in my role, but each time will randomly give a colour from the result table. Also notice that you get to re-roll or partially re-roll exactly like in our own generators. Let's go back and add one more main table. Alright, and let's call it Stats. Let's edit it. I am going to add some random stats. Perfect. Now, if we test this, you can see that the system rolled the first main table and then moved to the second one. Good. Let's check what the other tools do. I will go to this table, click Edit, and here we are. Obviously, with the bold and italic, you get to change the format of the text. The Ask Role button will add a role in your text. That means if I type, "This room has Ask Role, orcs," the system will randomly roll a number to give us a result. Let's say, for example, this room has 20 orcs. You can also go here and change the values of the role. With the Add Line button, you can add more lines. Same with pressing Enter. Now, let's see what the Create Column button is doing. I will create a new table. I will name it Monster's Name. I will click Edit. And here, I will create an extra column. You can create as many as you want, but let's work with 2 in this example. Let's go to column 1 and add some results. Badur, Varsal, Namar, and now in column 2, the Brave, the Evil, the Ruthless. What the system will now do is to randomly choose one result from column 1 and one from column 2, always going from left to right to give a result. Let's see it. There you are. And let's re-roll a few times. Once you are done, you have several options. You can save your work. You can send it to the My Generators section so that you can start using it in your games, and why not? You can also share it to Steam Workshop for everyone to download and use it. Of course, you will be able to visit the Steam Workshop and download generators created by other users as well. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and check the video's description for all useful links around Fantasy Adventure Builder, Brave Alice Games, and MYTHMERE Games. Goodbye for now!
Brave Alice Games.